Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to learn step by step on how to create ad copies and ad images for our Facebook and Instagram ad campaign using Magic Brief. Alright, so this is AI tool number 7. So just click on the link and it will take you here to this page. As you guys can read, power up your creative workflow, save Facebook, Instagram, TikTok ads, build storyboards, collaborate with your team, and take your ads to the next level. So what I want you to do next is to click on get started now. Alright, so just click on it and then you're going to be redirected to this dashboard. And as you guys can see here on the left side, you have discover and packs and also like my ads. But when you click on it, there's nothing here because we haven't created any project yet, right? This is a brand new account. The same thing if you click on team ads, there's nothing here, nothing show up because we haven't created any team ad projects yet. So yeah, what I want you to do now is to focus on these 5 categories like brand, platforms, teams, industry, and format. So we're going to filter all of these pre-made template based on the category. So for example, you want to create Facebook ad copies, right? So just go to the platform and then click Facebook and Instagram, right? So all the templates that are going to show up here are for Facebook and Instagram. That's it. Okay, so the next thing that I want you to do is to click format, and then we want to be focusing on image, right? So just click on image. So what we're going to get here are a pre-made templates for Facebook ads and Instagram ads, and those templates are created or designed for images only. Okay, you can also like filter it based on the theme, for example, like announcements, brand story, case study, whatever. You can also filter it based on the industry and also filter it based on brand. Okay, so now I'm just going to filter it based on the theme. So I want it to be like a brand story and case study, I guess. Okay, and for the industry, I want it to be clothing and apparel, right? Because we're going to be selling this backpack, and I think backpack falls under this category. So what we have here, app software, beauty, personal care, clothing, apparel, consumer goods, education, electronic and tech, finance, fitness, food and beverage, games. So yeah, I think it falls under this category, clothing and apparel. So yeah, we only have like the options here, unfortunately. So let's say we want to pick this one, so just click save, just click on it. Alright, so we're going to use this as our ad template. So you guys can click on ad details to see what the ad looks like. So yeah, you can use this template as inspirations for your Facebook ad. However, if you want to create like your own Facebook ad template, you can do it by clicking on concepts and then click on create board and then just name your board however you want. I'm going to name it as ad. And you can upload your assets, upload your product image, and also for the script. So I'm just going to copy and paste these product titles, right? So I'm just going to copy and paste that here as an example. And for the call to actions, so I'm just going to type in like buy now, right? So that's going to be the CTA, the call to actions. Okay, so once you're all set, just click on export board and then you can export that as an image or maybe as in a video. It really depends on what type of ads that you're creating here. You can also share it. So yeah, it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward process, guys. There are many templates that you can use, that you can customize here. So yeah, just filter it based on the category that you want. So yeah, that's how you guys use Magic Brief, guys. I'll see you in the next video. We're going to pick a product example for the third sections, right? Because we're going to create ad videos for YouTube ads and TikTok ads. So we're going to pick another product examples from different marketplace that we're going to use as the product example for our copywriting tutorial. So I'll see you guys there.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.